Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting off by taking a look at our latest surface analysis chart here from this morning, we can see that we have a low pressure system that currently sits over the northern Great Lakes region with a series of trailing cold fronts that drape across our local area and are responsible for that more so widespread rain that has passed through, especially in the earlier hours of this morning. And as of the latest, we can anticipate the secondary trailing cold front to move through later this morning in the next hour or two, with those rain chances looking to be more scattered in nature and ultimately tapering off around noon in the hours that follow. We will then see clearing skies and cooler temperatures start to filter in as dry air backfills behind, with breezy winds lingering into the evening hours, in which those temperatures also look to drop around freezing tonight. Now moving on into Saturday, high pressure does look to return with more sunny skies and seasonable highs in the 40s, followed by another weak cold front on Saturday that does look to bring highs into the mid-50s and some cooler lows Sunday night, with temperatures dropping into the 20s. We do look to remain dry for that time frame though. And then behind that front, Monday does look to be comparatively slightly more chilly, with temperatures struggling to get into the 40s, and we also have the chance of seeing a weak clipper system bring a slight chance of rain on Tuesday, followed by mostly dry and moderating conditions on Wednesday. And then for Christmas Day, we'll see yet another system pass, but off to the north with little to no precipitation chances, and that could result in some increased cloud coverage for Christmas Day. But overall, we do have a rather fair weather week in the next 7 days ahead. Taking a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart here, we can anticipate those scattered showers over the next hour or two, with clearing skies following that frontal passage, and then we'll also see those temperatures on a gradual decline once that secondary front gets through. Our winds are currently elevated and a wind advisory is in effect, and we can anticipate those winds lingering throughout the afternoon into the evening hours, but gradually working their way down into tomorrow morning, when we can expect much lighter winds for Saturday. And we do have some lowered ceilings that we're continuing to see, and those will linger until we see that secondary front pass through in the next hour or two. As for our short-term risk chart, looking at the next few days ahead, we have much more fair weather conditions anticipated in comparison to the previous few days here. On Saturday, we can anticipate mostly sunny conditions and a high of 44. Saturday night, partly cloudy and a low of 38. And Sunday, partly cloudy once again, but slightly breezy with a high of 55, and a little bit of color on the board for the chance of a wind advisory. Taking a look at the next 7 days ahead, we're working through our time period of which we can see those scattered showers this morning. Then we'll have a clear up as far as cloudiness goes and cloud coverage. We'll see much more sunny conditions for the weekend. We'll see some clouds start building in Monday and into Tuesday, when we do have some slight chances of precip associated with that clipper moving through. And then Wednesday, a slight improvement on overall cloud coverage before Thursday, in which we see another system pass off to the north, and we'll see that cloud coverage build in for the next 7 days. And for our holiday, we do look to remain dry. Unfortunately, not going to be a white Christmas as of current, but should be rather fair weather. That is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful weekend. We'll be back at 8:15 next week with the daily weather operations.